Hi viewers. In this tutorial we will connect our Excel table with a form using Microsoft Power Automate web. We can then make entries in that form and the changes will reflect to the table in an Excel file. First, let's make a simple table of daily expenditure with expense date, description, name who did the purchase, and amount. Enter at least one record to prepare a proper Excel table. Now convert the table into proper Excel table by pressing Ctrl T. If you want to know more about Excel tables, then click on the link appearing here. After making the table, we will rename it. To rename the table, click anywhere inside the table. Go to Table Design. In the Properties section, write the table name. Expenses. Save the file into your OneDrive and make sure that you know about the file location. Now, let's go to Power Automate for Web. To go to Power Automate Web, write office.com in the browser and hit enter. If you are not logged in, then it will ask for username and password. After office.com loads, click on App Launcher. I can find Power Automate here. If it does not appear, then click on All Apps where you can find all apps of Microsoft Office 365. Here, click on Power Automate. The browser will then open the Power Automate for me. On the right pane, click on Create. Now, it will ask which type of flow you want to create. Since my flow will trigger upon an action, therefore, I will click on Instant Cloud Flow. Here, we will give our flow a name. Then select Manually Trigger a Flow to create a form and connect it to my expenses sheet. Here, I will create a form which will consist of all the fields I entered in my Excel file named Daily Expenses. Click on Add an Input. In the type of input, select Date because our first column is a date type. Expense Date. Similarly, we will add all the columns fields into this form. After finishing the form for data entry, now we will tell our flow what action should be taken when a user enter data into this form. Click on New Step to choose an operation. Select Excel Online to connect your Excel sheet with the form. Here, we will choose an action to be done after the data enters in the above form. Click on Add a row into a table. Now, we need to connect our Excel file here. Location is OneDrive for Business, Library, OneDrive. In File Location, we will go to the file location where our expense report is saved, then click on the file. In Table, select the table which you want to connect with the form. I am choosing Expense. Now, all the headings of our expense table will appear. Here we will connect fields related to each other. Now save it. Our flow had been created. Now let's test it. To test the flow, we will click on Test. Click manually to enter data into your form, run flow. Our flow ran successfully. After a while, open your expense report table. You can see that the data had been updated. We can access this form with our mobile device also. If the Power Automate app is installed on your mobile, then we can access this form from mobile device in case we can't access PC. Open Power Automate app on your mobile. In Buttons, click on Expense Form. Enter the expenses into the form and tap on Run Flow. After we add records, we can then go to our Excel file and open it to see the new entries later. Try this tool to enter your data hassle-free from anywhere. Thanks for watching.